What's up, everyone? Today we're back with another video and we're making a chocolate fidget spinner. It's going to be interesting. Yeah, so stay tuned. Let's get to it. To get in all those nooks and crannies. Okay, now we gotta push it down. Where's that spoon at? Oh, that's so good.
Going over the middle first.
Alright, so we took it out of the freezer. Now it's solidified, so let's kick it out. Oh my god, that's actually feels so awesome. Oh, look at that! That looks so cool. Still a little bit melted. Just probably because my hands are hot right now, but this cannot spin because there's chocolate all over it. But it does look awesome. So
Yeah, that looks better than the Starburst one.
yeah, I don't know, it just looks really awesome. We might be able to make it spin, but I highly doubt it.
It's too hard.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video with this chocolate fidget spinner. If you guys want us to do another fidget spinner video, let us know in the comments. We'll see you guys later.